At 7:52, following the train's arrival at Lubyanka station, after passengers left the train and another set of passengers walked in, a blast occurred. Its power was equal to about 2 kilos of TNT. We can assume that the explosive device was attached to the attacker's body. About half an hour later, another blast hit Park Kulturi station.
It's disgusting. I don't know who did it and what they wanted. Life is so short. How could people commit such terrible acts?
It was a terrorist act carried out by female suicide bombers. This information comes from the FSB, but it was specifically timed for the moment the train was nearing the station to make the most damage. The blasts were caused by 300 to 400 grams of explosives.
I feel scared. I'll have to walk to get to work because there is no way I'm going by metro.
I do feel a bit scared now to go by metro. I'm worried for my family, my loved ones. We use the metro every day.